If you've been looking into AI tools for personal interactions, you've probably come across two big names, AI Dungeon and Replika. But which one truly stands out when it comes to meaningful, engaging conversations? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, we're diving into a comparison between AI Dungeon and Replika. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a better alternative for personal interactions that might surprise you. Let's kick things off with AI Dungeon. This tool is built for storytelling. It allows you to create your own adventures in a text-based game where you can go as deep as you want with narratives. The creative potential is enormous, and you're not bound by a script. But when it comes to personal interactions, it doesn't shine quite as much. Sure, you can have conversations with the AI, but the focus is more on generating stories than building deep personal connections. You might find yourself talking to an AI that's good at telling stories, but not necessarily one that's great at being responsive to your emotions or learning from your past conversations. Next, let's look at Replika. Replika has been marketed as an AI chatbot designed for emotional connection. It focuses on personal interactions and learning about your preferences, thoughts, and feelings over time. Replika is definitely more suited for companionship, whether you need someone to chat with or just want to vent. Its ability to remember your past conversations and adapt to your personality is a big plus. However, while it's better for personal interactions than AI Dungeon, it does have its downsides. The AI sometimes feels overly scripted, and you might hit a point where the conversations start to feel repetitive or stale. It's also still learning how to really interpret complex emotions, which can leave you feeling a bit disconnected at times. The third thing I want to address is how both tools handle creativity. AI Dungeon allows for infinite creativity in terms of generating scenarios, but when it comes to real personal interactions, it's limited. Replika, on the other hand, is better suited for ongoing, evolving conversations about your life, but it's not nearly as flexible or creative as AI Dungeon when it comes to generating stories or new ideas. And finally, there's the issue of pricing. Both tools offer free versions with limited features, but if you're looking for the full experience, you'll have to pay. AI Dungeon's premium version unlocks more features like more advanced story generation, but Replika's paid version gives you access to more personalized interaction features like Pro upgrades for deeper emotional connection. But if you ask me, neither tool is perfect when it comes to offering the best value for what they provide. So, both AI Dungeon and Replika have their strengths and weaknesses. They both offer unique experiences for personal interactions, but neither of them is truly the best in every category. After trying both myself, I found that there's actually a better alternative if your goal is to have real, meaningful personal interactions with an AI. If you're looking for something more advanced, something that delivers better personalized experiences, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available, something you can't get anywhere else. So, go ahead and give it a try and see for yourself which AI tool will really bring your personal interactions to the next level.